Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular high-performance tires on the market, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 and the Bridgestone Potenza Sport. Both tires launched in 2021 and have been vying for the top spot in performance tests across the globe. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is designed as an ultra-high performance tire, ideal for those who crave exceptional wet performance. In its debut, the tire impressed in a major 2022 tire test, showcasing superior wet braking capabilities. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport, categorized above the Michelin in the ultra-high performance segment, has consistently ranked high in dry performance tests. In wet conditions, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 shows its prowess by braking 2.1 meters earlier than the Potenza Sport, offering a significant advantage in wet braking. However, the tables turn when it comes to handling. The Potenza Sport recorded the fastest lap in the wet, outpacing the Michelin by nearly 2 km per hour, showcasing its superior grip and control in challenging conditions. Switching to dry conditions, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport takes the lead, particularly in dry braking where it outperforms the Michelin by 1.2 meters. It also edges out the Michelin in handling, demonstrating that it can maintain higher speeds safely and effectively. This makes the Potenza Sport a preferred choice for those prioritizing dry performance. In terms of noise levels, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 has a slight edge, being 0.7 dB quieter than the Potenza Sport, which could be a deciding factor for drivers seeking a quieter ride. Additionally, when discussing sustainability, Michelin offers a lower rolling resistance, making it a slightly more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly option. In conclusion, choosing between the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 and the Bridgestone Potenza Sport depends largely on your primary driving conditions and preferences. The Michelin excels in wet performance and sustainability, while the Bridgestone is the go-to tire for exceptional dry handling and braking. Whatever your choice, both tires offer outstanding performance and safety features. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.